It's a Charlie Brown Christmas. Okay. I'm not gonna play with that cactus anymore, I promise. Get out of here, you stupid cactus.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Do you not like it?
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffles.
1, 2. Sabi ko 2, hindi 1. 1, 2. Ewan ko sa'yo.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Boo at your dog.
Boo!
My favorite moments at dog daycare this year.
Let me see it. Carl. Okay, Carl. Can you sit? Good job. Thank you. Hi. Bro, Leo, what's your beef with the fan, bro? What did the fan? No, don't pull it. No. Hobbs, come here. Can you sit? Good job, Hobbs. Good job. Otis, do you mind not rubbing your butt on me? Yeah, you're embarrassed now that you're on camera, huh? Yo, Apollo, chill out, bro. What's your problem? Can you sit? Dick. Ah!
Scare your dog to see what they do.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pet.
Eat your vegetables!
Shields ako.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
Hey! Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Are you a good boy? Hey! Hi! Hi! Oh, you're scary. Are you a wolf or are you a puppy? What are you doing? I don't know what you are, but you're beautiful. Okay, go, puppy, go.